welfare also sa each group. And thank you sa mga baguhan na still consistent sila sa every Sunday na to worship the Lord and to gather as a pagbanding. Thank you, Remy, for visiting. O kaya nga yung mga baguhan. Thank you, Ate Remy. Thank you, Ate Remy, for visiting us always. Hindi mo nakakalimutan ang party. Yeah. And don't be shy. We are family here. Ang family is, walang hiya-hiya, di ba? Makapalang mukha pag isa tayo family kay Pride. Thank you, Luisa, because still, pag mag-message ako kahit anong busy niya, oh yes pa rin siya. Yeah, oo. And kahit na once a day lang, once a month lang minsan magkikita, even Rochelle, thank you. Kasi kahit isang chat mo lang kay Rochelle, pagsabi na ganito, o anong may tutulong ko, ano ang gagawin ko. And thank you for that, Rochelle.
Thank you also, Ate Mel.
Jinky also, kahit nasasabihin niya financially na ate ganito, and still she will look for her resources na anong maitutulong niya or what para sa group natin. And even yung small efforts niya na pag nakikita ninyo na every time that we are eating, isa siya sa mga tao
Ate, hindi ko
na
birthday.
nag-repeat at
Ako yung iiyak ata.
siya yung my birthday, siya nag-repeat at thank you, Jinking. Nakikita namin yung
Mabait yan.
nakikita namin yung efforts mo. Thank you, Ate Trisha. Ate Trisha is one of our foundation also, spiritually, in terms sa Bible study and even sa mga advices. And I just want to thank Ate Trisha for that. Kasi you can lean to Ate Trisha whatever na yung advices. Still, she's on track with the
Dahil
Lord.
dyan, may kamyas ka.
And thank you, Ate Gemma. Ito yung madam namin na every time na walang no sa kanya, always yes. Always yes. Walang no yan sa kanya, always yes. Kahit mabigat yung nararamdaman niya, yes pa rin siya.
Gising lang yan.
Thank you kay Maricel also. Yeah, oo. Very consistent siya. I just want, hindi lang sa birthday, I just want to thank everyone. And thank you, Helen, for always. Thank you, teacher. For everything. Hindi ko na isa for everything. And here, kay Ate Jackie, wala siya. We would just want to thank Ate Jackie kasi kahit na busy siya and still consistent siya sa group, sa Bible studies, sa prayer meeting, kahit na sila lang dalawa ni Ate Mary parate, still pa rin na andon lagi siya consistent. Kasi gusto niya mag-grow spiritually. I just want also to thank Ate Liza kahit wala siya dito. Nakikipag-communicate kami ni Ate Liza and she's sick. Hindi naman yung disease na yung ubo at sipon. But still, she's good now. And thank you for the support. And to our leader also. And leader, know that we understand that you're busy.
Sungit na nga.
Busy. Kahit masungit ka, bahala ka dyan. Bahala ka dyan.
Sungit ako talaga tomato kanina. Grabe.
Kahit masungit siya, okay lang. Pasaway pa din kami. Thank you, Ate Nelia. I-divert mo Ate Nelia. Ate Nelia, thank you for all the ending support sa group. From previous until now, hindi pa rin nagbabago. Wala ditong no sa kanya. Always yes, palagi din. Thank you.
Christina.
May bago. And thank you kasi may bago din kaming recruit na cargador.
Yay!
Oo. Kasi salamat kasi sila yung every time na nag-deliver ako, especially Helen and Chinky, sila yung nagsumusundo sa akin kasi alam nila na malayo nilalakaran ko at ang daming karga. And thank you for that. Every little efforts and achievements na notice, hindi lang kami kundi ni Lord. And Jinky, congratulations. Keep up the
Oh,
good
thank you
job.
po. God is
Serving
good.
God.
Thank you.
And humble and fix your eyes on Jesus.
Yes.
And congratulations, Ate, for taking us a leader sa table talk. Yeah. Thank you, Rhoda, sa Sowers team. Ate Tricia for saying yes to Sowers.
Yay!
And everyone, hindi ko...
din kami sa solar.
Oh, yay! Just, I think, Maricel. And can we just clap our achievements?
Thank you sa'yo. Salamat kasi very active. Diba? Talagang pinapakita mo yung care mo at saka yung pag-alaga sa amin.
Inalagaan ko ba kayo?
Yes!
And yeah,
Sa lahat ng mga
that's why,
suicide.
masungit man siya, pero alam ko
Wait
kasi
naman.
na may ano siya, may PMS.
May bisita.
So, pasaway siya, kaya na-link kami kasi we just want, kahit na ayaw mo ate, but you really deserve to
Kasi
surprise.
nito.
Kahit sa simple lang.
Ay,
Well, actually, wala talaga silang alam. Di ba sabi ko,
Okay
it's
lang.
nuts and fruits. But we love you with the love of the Lord.
Thank you.
And it's not Calvin Klein, don't worry. It's
Pwede ko buksan?
Tutulungan ka namin kumain.
Kasi walang ano siya, walang pambalot kaya sorry. Ayaw niya din ng expensive, so lahat ng kachipan, gano'n mo na. It's a second hand. Ito, nakastock lang to.
Videoan niyo oh, habang
Lahat ng
nag-open ng...
resources.